How do you solve code duplication? Here is a common scenario where you have two methods that look very similar, but they take a different argument where they act upon. And a simple way to fix it is to look at those two classes, this class and that class, and implement a common interface. I made an interface printable. It has the same method, print name. I implemented. As you can see here, it's IntelliJ notices that it is an interface that's been overridden here. I could also add override to make it clear to other programmers as well. And then I have to do the same here. Implements printable, my interface. And when I go back here, I can just replace this to the interface type. And I could remove this one. And as you can see, both refer now to the one that has the common interface. That's an easy way to fix it. In the next video, I will show you another way.